Believe it or not, the Splatoon 2 tutorial is actually very helpful. For one, it teaches you the controls including squid mode, jumping, and how to shoot your gun. It lets you practice moving in your opponent's ink, which if you don't know doesn't kill you, it just makes you go slower. At the end of the tutorial, it brings you to Inkopolis where you can play multiplayer battles and the story mode. I'll definitely make another video on Inkopolis and the story mode, but for now, let's just stick to the basics. The Splatoon 2 tutorial is about a 3 to 4 minute stage that lets you practice before you get into the real good stuff. In the beginning of the tutorial, it lets you choose your character's hairstyle, gender, eye color, and skin tone. Don't worry though, after you finish the tutorial, you'll be able to change your clothes with the money you can earn after playing multiplayer battles. There's really not much more to say about the Splatoon 2 tutorial, so I'll just give you a quick video of someone playing it.